So this is a short relaxation session in order to lower the anxiety response, to drop back into the body and a sense of support and a sense of calm, and all is well. So take a few moments to get yourself comfortable in your seat. If you need to press pause to get yourself comfortable, then please do. And if any time you need to adjust and shift or fidget, is perfectly fine. Allow yourself to be as comfortable as you can be, fully supported. Then take a moment to lower your gaze or close the eyes if you're happy to. Anytime you need to open the eyes, you can. Your choice to close the eyes, which just helps to lower the external stimulus, reduce the external stimulus. There's nothing to see at this moment, so you can turn your attention inwards. Then become aware of your contact to the chair that you're sitting on. So the parts of the body that are in contact with the surface, with the chair. So where the back of the body touches the chair, parts of the arms or hands are resting on whatever surface. Parts of the buttocks and the legs. And also make sure your feet are comfortable. And allowing yourself to sort of drop into that support of the seat. Allow yourself to feel supported for this few minutes. Surrendering. Take a couple of breaths just to tell yourself I'm breathing, all is well. Just a few conscious breaths. And then let the breath settle. Let it take care of itself again. Then we're going to just scan through the body with the mind's eye. So we'll start at the top of the head. The skin and the scalp on the top of the head, just sort of softening. And the forehead, any thinking frowns in the forehead can start to melt away. There's nothing to think about right now. So just sense the forehead soften, any frowns melting away. And that softness starts to spread down into the eyes. The eyelids become silky smooth, all the muscles around the eyes relax and the eyeballs can settle back into their sockets. And how nice it feels just to let the eyes rest for just a few minutes. Just let them rest. Now the skin on the face can soften. Cheeks and the jaws. Clenching in the jaws can relax. The lower jawbone is slightly heavy. So you can let the lower jawbone drop open a little bit. A little bit of space between your top teeth and your bottom teeth. And the lips can lightly touch if they want to. But the jaw is relaxed. The tongue can rest comfortably. The forehead, eyes, jaws, all relaxed. And that softening can settle down through the back of the neck and into the top of the shoulders, as if the shoulders can just slide down away from the ears. Take your awareness down through the arms. Let the arms be heavy, resting. And the hands, any clenching in the hands, can you relax your hands? So the fingers are ever so lightly curled, just resting. And then the awareness from the hands and the shoulders. And bring the awareness then down into the chest, the front of the chest and the back of the chest, as if the skin just sort of slides down from the shoulders down the chest. And there's a softening right there at the center of the chest. All those muscles softening when they're ready. So you can tune into the subtle movements of your lungs breathing. The body gently expands a little as you breathe in. And the body kind of shrinks as you breathe out. So there's a natural rhythm of the breath. And with each out breath, the body relaxes and softens a little bit more. Just letting go. And that softening settles downwards into the belly. So let the breath take care of itself again. As you drop down into the belly, relaxing. Even the back of the waist softens. Awareness drops down into the pelvis, into the groins, and the legs, thighs are heavy. Notice how easily you've just allowed yourself to settle and relax into the chair. As quickly and effortlessly that's happened. And this is a natural state of relaxation. And the more you practice, the more familiar this state gets, and the easier it'll become, the easier it'll get to find. The softening, resting, chance to recharge. And then the awareness gently comes back up from the hips and the belly, up through the torso, into the chest, back up into the head. A slightly lighter feeling in the head and the neck and the face. And then without opening your eyes, if you can just bring your awareness to your surroundings, just listening out for any sounds you might hear. If there are any sounds inside the room, or maybe sounds outside of the room that you can hear, far away sounds. Maybe there's no sounds. And then you can start to notice the light levels, even beyond your closed eyes, the light levels in the room that you're in. So you're just slowly starting to waken up the senses, but remaining relaxed and calm. And this will continue with you for a little while as you go through your day. And the more you practice, the easier it'll get. So as you start to blink your eyes open very gently, just bringing your awareness back to the room, maybe having a little look around the room, just taking in your surroundings. And give yourself a little well done, a little thank you for just taking this time out. And then continue with the rest of your day.